The River Guardians Festival is a chance for the community to come down here on the banks of the beautiful Swan River here in South Perth and learn more about the Swan Canning River system and all the great organisations that help protect it.
We should be really grateful for what we've got. We've got lots of natural shorelines. Compare that with the Thames or Sydney and you'll know how beautiful our waterway is.
We started with live broadcast with ABC local radio and a huge number of guests that came on talking about the different things that are happening in the wider community around biodiversity and river health.
We've got local government as well, supported by the City of South Perth, and 𝗥𝗶𝘃𝗲𝗿 WA Tree Festival has been launched today. And then we've got community groups, and they're really the bread and butter of all the work that goes on in helping protect the rivers. They might be doing planting, they might be doing clean-up events, they might be doing education and the likes.
Coming to events like this lets us hand out our cards and brochures so people can find out about us. So next time they see a bird in distress, they can give us a call and we can go out and do that rescue.
They're a great chance for us to catch up with regular people, talk trees with them, really get the significance of these trees in our landscape.
The Swan Canning River Park, we all have a connection to it in some way, but we also have a responsibility to look after its health and be aware of the issues that are putting pressure on it.
It's an iconic tourism feature and that it's in good health. In an urban city that's heavily populated and getting more populated, we've got a great river system and we've got a great team that are looking after it.